What's up, y'all? Today we're working on a Tacoma and we're replacing the radiator because it's leaking. So they put paper towels trying to keep it together, but we got the new one, so it's up in the air already. Let's get her done.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah, this is why you should always bring an extra shirt, because sometimes the fucking coolant just falls all over you, and that's just toxic. Anyways, let's go ahead and order some coolant, because we spilled most of it, so we're gonna need some new coolant. So we got the shroud out, now we're gonna take the actual radiator out. And it looks like it's 413, so let's go ahead and pop those out real quick. And let's get right to it.
That's a W.
Alright guys, we got everything loose. Now we should just be able to pull it out. Let's go ahead and put the new one in. Alright, it's in place now. Now we just gotta tighten it up. Alright, we got the radiator on.
What?
What, fucker?
Are you serious right now, bruh?
Let's get the fan strap back on. We'll get that back on. This is back on. And we just need one more bolt down there. And all the hoses down there, and we're done. So at this point I realized that this thing didn't fucking fit. So we kind of have to sign for the sale right here, right now.